She's freaking out.
Again.
You know, the longer those videos are, the harder it's going to be to upload on MySpace, right?
I don't do them. I do YouTube.
And then you tell your mom to get on the other side.
Yeah, I post them on MySpace. Uh-oh, be careful.
She's like, I can make noise. I'm going to do it as much as possible.
Stephanie! Uh-oh.
You want it? You want it back? Come on, Daddy. Open your hands. Open your little foot. Open your little chubby fingers. Come on.
Better watch out. Oh! Did you hit yourself in the head? Uh-oh, careful!
She's gonna crack us up.
I know.
Laugh at her.
She did it the other day. Don't laugh at her for doing that. Oh! Don't wipe my mouth.
Oh!
She is whacking at you.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Get Daddy. Ooh, careful.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Daddy, make it poo-poo. You spitting.